All right, for the court appearance record, we're also on the record in case 2010 MM5063 in regard to James Hunter, the respondent. On April 27, 2010, the court entered an order adjudging him in compliance with the court order. He's physically present. My questions will be addressed to Mr. Hudson. I don't see that anything other than May 3rd. Were there any other documents or pleadings that I might be missing in the case, or anything else that's going on?
No, that was all.
All right, and without revealing any privileged information, I'm sure that the state and the defense may already know this. I don't. What is your client's position with regard to complying with the court's order?
Judge, he still intends to invoke his Fifth Amendment right, which, not getting into the legal argument about whether that's appropriate or not. I know that the court takes that as a refusal, so we're still in the same position as when you last saw him.
So if he were brought over Monday morning, would that be the same answer?
That's my understanding, yes.
All right. Okay. So things are still the same?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Judge, based upon the court's order in granting the state's motion to perpetuate on the 23rd of April of this year, the state would ask that Mr. James Hunter be held in direct criminal contempt for failure to follow the judge's order with regard to testifying at the motion to perpetuate.
Television reports that there was a letter to the editor at some point this week that referred to the sentence in the case as well. So,
Your Honor, and I would think that encompassed in those questions about pretrial publicity would be questions related to having a big issue nationwide. I know that there have been, I think, 2 mistrials nationally that I've read about with jurors Googling a parcel of it. So maybe we could cover that area all at one time with those particular jurors.
All right. So.
Thank you, ma'am.
For that reason. All right. Thank you, sir. Do you want him to be in the? Do you want to stay for anything else at this point?
I'm sorry?
We'll finish up the hearing, and we'll ask you to wait for your attorney in the box, or wherever the bailiffs want to put you in the meantime. You can stay while we finish the hearing, and then speak to your client.
Thank you.
Was there anything else from either the state or the defense?
No, Your Honor.